Mix ginger with coffee to get rid of belly fat permanently. No diet, no exercise needed. Hi friends, I hope you are all doing well. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you get notified once we post a video. Thank you in advance for your usual support. If you are looking for a natural recipe to get rid of belly fat at home without strict diet or exercise, this belly fat burner drink is the best fit for you. The first ingredient, fresh ginger. Ginger promotes proper digestion. Ginger protects against stomach ulcers. Ginger facilitates the absorption of fats in the small intestine. Ginger promotes weight loss. Ginger burns accumulated fat in the abdominal area. Ginger has powerful antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. We are going to need a piece of fresh ginger of this size. Please hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel, thank you. In a saucepan put 1 tablespoon of the ginger. Add ½ liter of water. Bring to a boil, simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. The second ingredient, coffee, Nescafe. Coffee is known as a catalyst for weight loss. Coffee contains antioxidants and also contains 0 calories, fat, or cholesterol. Coffee contains caffeine, which helps to boost the body's metabolism. Metabolism is the process in which the body breaks down nutrients and utilizes food's calories throughout the day. A decreased metabolism means low or little nutrient absorption, hence weight gain. But an increased metabolism is the exact opposite, which facilitates weight loss. In a cup, put 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Add boiled ginger water, 180 milliliters, to the coffee in the cup and stir. The leftover ginger water can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 days, but remember to heat the boiled ginger water before usage the next time. The third ingredient, lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which are very useful to speed up the process of burning belly fat. Lemon increases the feeling of satisfaction and fullness for a long period without adding calories to your body. Add 3 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice to the mixture in the cup. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Drink 1 cup, 180 milliliters, in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. For a more effective result, continue to drink this fat burner recipe on a daily basis for 1 week. You can sweeten this fat burner drink with natural honey. Add ½ teaspoon of honey to each cup. If you have any requests, suggestions or difficulties, don't hesitate to leave us a comment in the comment section below. We welcome your comments, and will gladly respond to them accordingly. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.